friends. We came to a place where a tourist group is divided. The main part of the group goes down on foot, and the second group can go down by zipline. We managed to make a video where we show the caipline itself and how the descent takes place. The path is almost 700 meters long, and the cable is pulled at a height of 50 meters. They say that there is a weight limit up to 90 kilograms. During the descent you are photographed and immediately offered a picture for $4. The park impresses with its beauty. Wild tropical jungle is a paradise on the island of Hainan. One of the most memorable tourist parks is Yanoda. The introduced Yanoda Rainforest is considered a unique place in China. It opens to the attention of tourists the beauty of pure nature. But the most spectacular view in this reserve opens from the viewing platforms. Amazing tropical trees and the panorama reveals in front of you. The roots of these plants are on the surface and create the impression of fences and stairs. The forest was created as a natural zone with hanging bridges and comfortable boardwalks. The reserve territory is divided into several valleys through the gorge. Guys, subscribe to our channel, leave your comments and impressions under the video. See you soon.